Hey everybody, I'm really excited to announce the winner of the Comfee toaster oven giveaway. I appreciate all of you that applied. I added your names to this Wheel of Fortune app. I thought this was a cool way to randomize the results. I'm going to click this button to shuffle it a few times so that it's completely randomized, and then we're going to press the spin button. Best of luck to you all, and I'm really excited to see who the winner is. Super congrats to Mostool TV. You are the winner of this Comfee toaster oven. Please reach out to me on my Instagram page at Chef Vic Cuisine so I can send you this toaster oven. I appreciate you all applying for this giveaway. Best of luck on my next one, and I'll catch you on the next recipe on Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.